Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 42 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Prateek, founder of MakeForms, and today we have completed the week 6 of this Form Guru series. Total 42 videos in over past 6 months. Past 6 weeks, not months. I hope that we can do this all the way till 6 months. I'm super excited because I am able to show each one of you the power of make forms and what kind of things you can do with it. So, in today's episode, we are going to take a look at how you can create the form in your own language. So, like if you are out there trying to create a form, most of the form builders will let you create your form only in English. So, what if you want to create a form in your own language? So, the max you can do is maybe you can change the labels to your own language, or you can, like change the placeholder values. But what about the error messages and all those things that you get? Like, you won't be able to change them, right? So, this is the exact problem that we envision, and we said that this needs to change. And so we've created an option wherein you can actually create the form in your own language. So for now, if you go in and you create your form, we'll create a standard form, start from scratch. And over here, we can see the form language. So first of all, whenever you will start your account, like your MakeForms account, you won't have all these languages. You need to enable the language for your particular workspace. Also, please remember that the languages are activated on workspace level and not on account level. So I will first click on enable other languages, and as soon as I do that, okay, I will be brought to the settings page, and over there at the bottom you will see something called as internationalization. So you will click this, and then you will just remove the languages that you don't need, and then you will add the language. So let's say I need Vietnamese, I need Spanish, and I also need Arabic. So I will select this and I will update. Now we will go back to our dashboard, try to create a new form, and then, you know, select the language. Now I will select Arabic for our demo. Let's name this as Arabic form and create our first form. I will add the name, address, email, and let's try to, like translate this to Arabic. I don't know Arabic actually. So click this, copy this, and paste it here. Address, copy it, paste it here. Email, paste it, copy this, paste it here. Also, let's go in and change the values. Enter your email address. Copy this for the email address placeholder. Let's change this. The second one was your address. So let's say we'll say home address. Go in here, change the text folder value. Please enter your full name. Copy this and paste it over here in the placeholder. Now, the reason I chose Arabic was because I wanted to show you that if you select the Arabic form, then you will the system will automatically convert it into an RTL. So this is the beauty of make forms. It knows that which particular language has which direction, and it will change it accordingly. Now let's say I go in and I enable Spanish. So I want my let's say enable English. Okay. So now Arabic is my default language and English is my second language. So I will edit this. With this, I am provided the interface to provide string based translation for everything. So let's say this was the sorry full name, and then I'll write enter your full name. Now you can see that as soon as you've translated for this particular field, or it says that okay, all the translations are done. Then the second one was email address, right? Enter your email address, and then okay, so and it keeps on saving as you go. So I'm not going to do everything. Now we will just mark this as required and this as required, and then let's publish this and see this form in action. Let's open it up. Okay, so you can see that this has changed. I change this to English. It's RTO. Uh, Please remember that we did not translate the last option, so it is still in Arabic. And let's do this. Pratik at let's do only this, okay? And let's change this to Arabic and try to submit. You can see that even the error messages are translated for you. Don't have to do anything. We take care of everything. So this is how, and the moment you change this to English, all your error messages are in English. Exciting, isn't it? So this is how you can create multilingual forms, and also you are not restricted to only creating your forms in English. All those languages that are supported here, and I'll be very specific about the languages that we support. Anything that is supported here, you can create your form in that language. We'll add support for other languages very soon, as and when we proceed. So I hope that this was very exciting for you guys. Again, thank you for supporting me on this journey for of a Form Guru series. I hope that it is adding value to what you are doing with forms. Again, our mission is to empower you to become an expert when it comes to form creation. So please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know in the comments below what kind of forms are you looking for. What kind of challenges do you have when you create a form? And I will try to solve them for you. So that's it, guys, for today. See you next week. Signing off, Pratik here from MakeForms.